Wow, it's raining. Raining hard. See, it's very dark. Oh my God. There's weather forecast. We are going to the grocery. And now, here. My God. Oh no. My God. Oh my God. Going to the groceries, we need something. Yeah, ganito na lang ang pag-film ko, puro selfie mode. Sorry, wala akong cameraman. I don't have cameraman to film us. Kaya we always post selfie videos. But the weather now is like this, raining, dark. We live in how many miles away from town? 12 miles away from town. Ay, my God, I clicked already. Ay, I thought I clicked my... Thank you so much.